Thunder rolled, lightning flashed, the veil of the temple was rent from top to bottom. The venerable initiator in his robes of blue and gold slowly raised his jeweled wand and pointed with it into the darkness revealed by the tearing of the silken curtain. Behold the light of Egypt! The candidate in his plain white robe gazed into the utter blackness framed by the two great lotus-headed columns between which the veil had hung. As he watched, a luminous haze distributed itself throughout the atmosphere until the air was a mass of shining particles. The face of the neophyte was illumined by the soft glow as he scanned the shimmering cloud for some tangible object. The initiator spoke again. This light which you behold is the secret luminous of the mysteries. Whence it comes, none knoweth, save the master of the light. Behold him. Suddenly, through the glimmering mist, a figure appeared, surrounded by a flickering greenish sheen. The initiator lowered his wand and, bowing his head, placed one hand edgewise against his breast in humble salutation. The neophyte stepped back in awe, partly blinded by the glory of the revealed figure. Gaining courage, the youth gazed again at the divine one. The form before him was considerably larger than that of a mortal man. The body seemed partly transparent, so that the heart and brain could be seen pulsating and radiant. As the candidate watched, the heart changed into an ibis and the brain into a flashing emerald. In its hand, this mysterious being bore a winged rod entwined with serpents. The aged initiator, raising his wand, cried out in a loud voice, All hail thee, Thoth Hermes, thrice greatest! All hail thee, Prince of Men! All hail thee, who standeth upon the head of the typhoon! At the same instant, a lurid, writhing dragon appeared, a hideous monster, part serpent, part crocodile, and part hog. From its mouth and nostrils poured sheets of flame, and horrible sounds echoed throughout the vaulted chambers. Suddenly, Hermes struck the advancing reptile with the serpent-wound staff, and with a gnarling cry the dragon fell upon its side, while the flames about it slowly died away. Hermes placed his foot upon the skull of the vanquished typhoon. The next instant, with a blaze of unbearable glory that sent the neophyte staggering backwards against a pillar, the immortal Hermes, followed by streamers of green mist, passed through the chamber and faded into nothingness.